Welcome. Who's that? Uy.
Nothing.
Why you close?
It's wrong.
Wrong?
Yeah.
Wrong door?
Huh?
Wrong door.
Door?
How are you, madam?
Mainit.
Mainit?
Pero medyo naging better. Hindi na natulo yung...
Okay. Babe! Already know what is my news to you about our Cariton?
What's
So,
the news of the car?
guys, hindi ko nasabi sa inyo na nagpa-reserve pala kami, di ba? Kung hindi kayo nanonood, nagpa-reserve kami ng car sa Dumaguete, sa Ford. Tapos, ayun na nga, nung hindi pa kami sure na papunta kami sa Pilipinas, ay, aray, agay, may pursing ba? Ay, of course, hindi kami nagbayad. So, nagbayad kami last, when that one? You pay for the car?
10 days ago.
Yes, 10 days ago. And
15 May.
yes, tapos
Or 14.
ako yung assignment ko yan, sabi ni Mikal, dapat sabi ni Mikal, it's my assignment na dapat pag dating namin sa Pilipinas, I'm ready to get na yung car namin. And of course, everyday ako nagpapalo up, o diba? Kahit nasa Pilipinas, tapos nandito ako sa Poland, nagpapalo up ako doon sa Ford Dumaguete. And then of course, nagpapasalamat din ako sa aming friendship na si Kuya Mike, isa siyang trabahante sa sa Ford. Yes, thank you so much. And then kay Ma'am Sheila sa Ford. Dahil nga guys, sabi niya ngayong araw na to ay within the time na nandoon na kami sa Pilipinas ay pwede na naming makuha yung aming sasakyan kasi nirehistro na nila, gin-process na nila, and of course, si Mihaw hindi siya nag-expect na makukuha namin agad. Yes, you don't expect that we can get the car at that time because it's just 10 days ago we pay and...
Baby, we have argument with the manager.
Yes.
30 days before we won't get car.
Yes, but it's
car,
not yet...
we need pay.
Yeah.
But manager, it's good. After 20 days, we can get the car.
Yes. You're happy?
Better if we make after 15 days because I need drive and I need make something, you know.
Yes.
If I go to party, I need car,
What?
you know. It's,
to
you know,
kick your balls.
cold elbow to find the chicks, you know. I joking.
You want me to joke like I will find also cats?
But you all the time jokes like that.
No, I
You're
don't
not
joke.
on the camera.
I don't joke like that in the
your
camera.
cat-
You want them to
your
think
chicks
that you are
there.
like that.
Your
You
chicks-
want them, our followers, to think that you are
guys,
like that.
but
That's why they are
baby,
angry
you
to
must
you.
understand, we have, you know, intelligent, with big wisdom, the fans, and understand my jokes.
No,
you
no,
know?
not all
No?
understand you. They are angry to you most of the time because that's how you. It looks like
I don't
you are
know.
still
You don't
looking for
understand, it's my
another bilat.
joke? What?
Yes, you are still looking for another gite.
Bleh.
But you keep on talking about like that. That's why other people misunderstand you, and it's your fault.
Ah.
Yeah. Yes, guys.
Maybe
but,
someone new if don't know me, you know.
but guys, we are very happy dahil nga hindi na kami magre-rent ng car puhon. We are not gonna rent.
No more rent.
That's why we are very happy, right?
Yeah,
You're
but
not
you know
happy?
what color?
Secret.
Maybe don't tell. You can see
In
when
vlog.
we get with the car.
We are going to show you soon. And of course, I'm so happy and excited dahil next week yung ating flight and may car na tayo, guys. And of course, meron na din kaming balayan doon. Mare,
By
okay
car
ka?
seat.
Yes, car seat. So, ano muna kami dito kasi nandito si Marie dahil next week na yung aming layas. And then, ito yung last day ni Marie.
Pa, layas.
Bye. Hey, sexy lady. How are you now? Looks like you are very sad.
Wala ako samot kasi kay...
I like your towel.
Galing po to sa Pilipinas. Yung mga tab ko sinusuot ko. Ang lahat niya sa Pilipinas. Di man ako nagbibili dito.
Nice. Angayan ka. Si Lily, guys. Finally, naligo na siya. Wala na siyang lagnat. One day lang yung lagnat niya. Hindi naman nag-ano. Isang beses ko nga lang siya pinainom ng gamot. Hey! Mura kag sikuan si Liminho.